Hi and welcome to a Whimsy Stamps product reveal video. We have a brand new 4x11 clear stamp release today. It is called the ATC Frames Signature Stamp Set, and there are 31 stamps in total. Yes, 31 stamps. 4 of those stamps are these awesome frames, and they measure about 2¼ by 3¼ so they're perfect for your ATC card size of 2½ by 3½. There are 8 different ATC acronym stamps, so you can have them in lots of fun fonts for your projects. And there are 19 other stamps, such as Artist Trading Card, Handcrafted by, Original, One of a Kind, Title, Date, Number, Signature, Limited Edition. So many different stamps are included in this stamp set to help you create your ATC cards. But don't you worry, the stamp set can be used for so much more than ATC cards. Here I have an example using one of those frames as a background behind my vase of tulips for this Sorry Sympathy card. You can use the links down below in the description to see all of the new releases today or to see what products I use to create this card. Make sure you also head over to the Whimsy Stamps social media sites such as our Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook group where you can find more inspiration. Happy shopping!